So, fellow teacher, did you know that in your classroom, you have students with different learning styles and preferences? To ensure learning happens at the same pace for all, you are encouraged to apply Universal Design for Learning, UDL. UDL is a teaching approach designed to optimize learning by using flexible methods, materials, and assessments to accommodate different learning needs for all students in the classroom. UDL is mediated in 3 principles, namely multiple means of representation, multiple means of engagement, and multiple means of action and expression. Multiple means of representation. To apply this principle, you are expected to create an inclusive and engaging learning environment by using diverse instructional methods, including visual, auditory, text-based materials, assessive technologies, hands-on activities, peer discussions, flexible access, and quick assessments. Multiple means of engagement. To apply this principle, you are expected to recognize and accommodate individual differences to enhance students' engagement and motivation. Multiple means of action and expression. To apply this principle, you are expected to offer diverse assessment methods, encouraging verbal and written expression, incorporating hands-on activities, and using technology to allow students to demonstrate understanding in various ways. Teacher, you are requested to incorporate or apply these 3 principles into lesson planning and curriculum delivery in your classroom. Learner's readiness.
Learner's readiness, this is an entry point for the learners or students to be prepared for learning. And in the learner's readiness, we can apply one of the 3 principles of UDL. That is multiple means of engagement. In learner's engagement, we are going to apply different ways of engaging learners. For example, a teacher can use a song, a teacher can play a video, a teacher can tell a story, and so on.
Learners, do you like singing? Yes! Okay, thank you. So, let me teach you a song, right? Yes! This is group 1, okay? Yes! Then, this is group 2, right? Yes! And that is the 3rd group, okay? Yes! Let us start. Okay, thank you. Number one, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Number two, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Number three, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Thank you very much. Flowers, okay?
Introduction.
After learner's readiness, in UDL, we have introduction. In introduction, a teacher can apply multiple means of engagement by creating safe and supportive learning environment, which is going to motivate these learners or students to learn.
Welcome to P4 Mathematics. We are still on Unity 12, number patterns. Okay, class.
In introduction, learners enter the lesson with the support of the teacher through demonstration, storytelling, role plays, video plays, chat display, and many more.
Here I have number cards. I want to give you these number cards. So, but first of all, I want to put you in groups. Assist you. Yeah. So, these are number cards. That group. There are how many? 8. There are 8 number cards, okay? 8. So, you arrange the number cards starting from the smallest number to the largest number. Very nice. Very good. Okay. Oh, what do you understand about the numbers you have arranged? Muchiza?
Multiplication by 3.
Multiplication of 3. What do you think is the lesson of today? What do you think is our today's lesson? Rurangwa. Sorry, come again, please. Number pattern. Yes, my friend. Numbers from biggest to smallest. Okay, our lesson of today is arithmetic progression. Repeat, arithmetic progression.
Arithmetic progression.
Lesson development.
In the lesson development, this is where the real teaching and the real learning is taking place. In the real teaching and real learning, a teacher uses the 2 principles of UDL. These are multiple means of representation. Here, a teacher uses multiple means of representation. Maybe, for example, he can use a video to represent a content, can use a story, can use diagrams or images to represent a content. Because remember, behind all this, we are having an inclusive classroom.
So, what are these pieces? These are boxes. These are boxes, okay? So, let me put here the boxes. That is box number 1, and the last box is number 7. Okay. So, what are these? Raise up your hands and you answer. Okay. Junior, these are counters. These are counters. And we use counters to count numbers. To count numbers. Okay. So, I'm going to put here the counters. Okay. So, the boxes are empty or are empty. And then I want any from you to come and pick 5 counters. Okay? How many counters? 5. 5 counters. And put them in box number 2. Okay, Dorcas, come. Dorcas, come. You count 5 counters and put them in box number 2. Yes. 5. Put them in box number 2. Very good. And then
in lesson development, we have another principle, UDL principle, which is multiple means of engagement. And this is where a teacher uses different styles, because we are having learners with different learning styles. For example, a teacher puts the students in groups and provides them with activities where these learners inclusively, they are going to be using multiple means of engagement. For example, one group can use hands-on activities or experiment. Another group can have playing video. Another group can have presenting images or charts. But all these focus on the same content. Why? We are having different students with different learning styles. Therefore, we need to apply different ways of engaging them so that the learning takes place at the same pace and the students are motivated in the learning.
The common difference is 5. Common difference is 5. We get 5. Also 10 minus 5, okay, equals 5. So here 5 is a constant, okay? Yes. And then this constant is called common difference. How many counters should be in first box? Box number 4, choose her.
15 counters should be in box number 4.
Very good. 15 counters should be in box number 4. 15 counters. 15 from where? So it is 10 plus 10 plus the common difference. Then we get 15 counters. Okay. How many counters should be in this box? Okay. How many? Deborah. 25 counters. 25 from where? It is 20 plus. Good. 20 plus 5 common difference in order to get 25. Okay. To get 25. A and B. So we have A and B in the arithmetic progression. Okay? So it is like here, I can put here A and you find 15, right? I can put here B and you find 25. So you do it in groups. Who have finished, please? I want to mark.
During lesson development, you should promote collaboration, encourage creative expression through diverse communication methods, allow self-pacing, offer students a choice on how they respond, and use flexible tools and resources, both digital and printed, to accommodate different learning styles.
Very good. Another group, another group, another group, another group. Very good. So, correct, correct, correct. Okay, wow. All of you got it correct. Okay, so A is equal to 11, B is equal to 17.
The importance of applying multiple means of representation and multiple means of engagement during lesson development is to help the teacher and the students themselves inclusively to learn perfectly at their learning pace.
Assessment and conclusion.
After lesson development, we are now going to look at assessment. In assessment, students have already done the activities, and now the teacher needs to know how they have done the activities. What is their ideas? What is their findings? Students are going to use multiple means of action and expression, whereby a student can decide to use either by telling a story, by having an experiment being conducted, by presenting the real image of what he has learned. The student can also use a video or a project to express his or her ideas from the learning process.
I want to give you now an individual work, okay? Okay. I want mark, please. Very good. Very good. Very good. So, very good. Very good.
During the assessment, teachers are expected to differentiate assessment difficulty. Use different assessment formats such as quizzes, projects, presentations, then offer learners different options to demonstrate learning and incorporate real-world relevance and interactive assessments such as games or simulations to help maintain students' interest.
Thank you very much. So, we have come to the end of our lesson, okay? But before we conclude, let me remind you this, okay? In any sequence, okay, the difference between two consecutive terms, okay, is a constant. In any sequence, the difference between two consecutive terms is a constant. And then that constant is called common difference. Okay? Children, you write this as your homework. I will mark it in the next lesson. Thank you for today. And let us meet in the next lesson. Goodbye.